Welcome to English Learning from Scratch. Participial adjectives are words made using verbs and are often used to describe emotions or qualities. In this lesson, the focus is on ing forms, such as boring, interesting, and exciting. These adjectives help you talk about different experiences and how things or people make you feel. Participial adjectives are adjectives that come from verbs. When you add ing to a verb, such as interest, you get the word interesting. These adjectives describe what effect something has, such as making you feel bored, interested, or excited. For example, boring means something that causes boredom, interesting means something that gets your attention, and exciting means something that makes you feel thrilled. To form a participial adjective with the ing ending, start with the base form of the verb and add the letters ing. For example, bore becomes boring, interest becomes interesting, excite becomes exciting. The ing form of the verb turns it into an adjective that describes the effect or quality caused by someone or something. Ing adjectives can go before or after the noun they describe, or after words like is, am, or are. For example, the sentence, "The movie is boring," puts boring after the verb is. The sentence, "She is an interesting person," puts interesting before the noun person. These adjectives can describe people, things, events, or situations. Here are some common ing adjectives. Boring means not interesting. Interesting means engaging. Exciting means thrilling. Confusing means hard to understand. Relaxing means calming. Frustrating means annoying. These words can be used to describe many different things in everyday conversation. Here are more ing adjectives. Surprising means unexpected. Amusing means funny. Challenging means difficult. Inspiring means motivating. Exhausting means tiring. Rewarding means satisfying. All of these words help you express how something makes you or others feel in English. To sum up, ing adjectives are made by adding ing to verbs. They describe qualities or emotions caused by something or someone. These adjectives can come before or after nouns, or after words like is or are. Common examples include boring, interesting, exciting, surprising, and exhausting. Using these words helps you sound more natural and clear when talking about people and experiences in English.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.